You guys must have paid attention to the fact that China is planning to go to the moon. Question is how? Well, they have studied Apollo program very closely and they understood something very crucial. A large rocket is exponentially expensive. So they are trying to make two medium-sized rockets. So instead of making one rocket that can do 150 ton to low Earth orbit, they are making Long March 10, which can only do 75 ton to low Earth orbit. But here's the deal. If you are only doing that, how can you actually do a lunar mission? Well, here's the trick. They're not going to do it via one rocket. They're going to launch two of these puppies. So one of it will only carry the lunar ascent and descent module, and this puppy will be launched with its own third stage, and it will go and park in low lunar orbit. Then they're gonna launch astronauts, or taikonaut in this case, with a different service module and capsule that for return, and it will also go to low lunar orbit. And then they're gonna get married there and transfer the astronaut. Then they will land, do their stuff, ascend, dock again, and come back. Basically like Saturn V, only difference is it's being done via two rockets. And yes, it is exponentially cheaper to do so, and that's why, because their program is so de-risked and they have so much off ramps, they can easily do it, and probability of them succeeding this thing via 2029 is ludicrously high. And even if they have 1 or 2 years of delay, the probability of them successfully pulling it off by 2035, it's absolute at this point in time, barring any major catastrophe. So that gave basically kick in the ass of America. That's why America is rushing so much with Artemis. They actually have no plan of how to go to the moon, because again, there was no project, there was no idea, there was nothing. They were just going lol and lol 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 lol. So for example, SLS technically should do that, but here's the deal. It cannot actually throw heavy stuff to the moon, big enough stuff, because the second stage is not ready. And because second stage is not ready, they still need a second launch vehicle. That's why they are talking about different puppy, be it Blue Origin, be it SpaceX, that's supposed to send the other half, even though the rocket's booster stage is big enough to do it. So let's see how this race unfolds. But as of now, America is in serious backfooting because of the mess up they did with the Artemis.